Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my first vlog since I moved to Colorado. I've been here for about a week. Pretty much just been trying to find a job, getting settled, getting moved in and everything like that. I am still on the hunt for a new car as well. As soon as I get a job, I will be getting another car. I don't know if I want to tell you guys what it is yet. I mean, I left a pretty big hint on my channel. If you go watch my other video that I literally just made, it's a pretty big hint. But today, I'm going to the drag strip. It is the first night it's opening. One of my friends has his name's Connor. One of my friends has a Pontiac Firebird that he just put a new rear end in, a badass rear end setup, and then I think he just got the nitrous hooked up today. So I think it's gonna be the first time spraying it. I'm currently headed over to their house. Three of my friends live together, the one with the Firebird Camaro and the Genesis, they all live together, so we're gonna head over there. I think he's throwing on the drag radials right now, or he already has them on, I'm not too sure. But yeah, then we'll be heading out to the track, so I will bring out the camera again when I get over there. I'm running a little late. I decided to go have dinner with my brother, so I decided to let my friends go before me, and then I was just gonna show up later. It is currently like almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:45. We were supposed to leave at 8. Drag started at 7. I don't think I really missed a whole lot. Looks like there's still a big line to even get into the place.
Well, better hang it wide open out the back.
This is my friend's Trans Am that I was talking about earlier. He wasn't able to get the nitrous set up on it tonight, but he's still gonna send it, so. $13.9. $14.2. $10.48 and a $12.5.
Like how much money I have on all my stuff like that.
$12.7 in left lane, right lane was $11.88.
Spectator lane.
Right lane was a 10.9, left lane was a 13.2.
Up now we have Thomas in the tower lane. He's from West Jordan, Utah, racing in his 1987 Buick Grand National against Jose in the spectator lane from Olathe in 2009.
Left lane was a 10.62, right lane was a 15.9. We didn't really end up staying for very long. It got fucking cold. It's only 57 degrees, but I don't know why, but it's fucking cold out right now. Connor ran, what, 3 passes?
Yeah.
Yeah, he ran 3. I wasn't there for his first pass, but he said it was over 14, but his second pass was a 13.9, so that was pretty good. He's still trying to figure out his two-step and his launch with those new tires, so he'll get it dialed in, and then hopefully next time we run, or I think he might be running tomorrow too, but next time we run, hopefully you'll have the nitrous set up, so we can see how that does.
Hey, right back at you, bitch.
Alright, so this is vlog 001 or something. We're at Taco Bell. I just got a Baja Blast. It's gone.
Hey, make sure you like our YouTube channel, Fat Clouds, etc.
Yeah.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and keep
Good.
ripping fatties.
Ooh, there we go, boys. If I had my vape right now, I'd totally hit it.
Hit the wall. Good enough.
Hit me with a dab.